Another one of my videos. This one is for 6th grade K.6 multiply 2 fractions. Alright, so this is kind of review. Most of you should know how to do this, but if not, you can watch this video to kind of figure out how to do it again. If you're in IXL and you don't know how to do it, first time you get in here, click on Learn by Example and let's take a look at it. So let's go to Learn by Example. Okay, first one is they want us to multiply 1/8 by 1/9. So, key idea is to multiply two fractions, multiply the numerators, and multiply the denominators. So it is that simple. So when we take 1/8 times 1/9, we multiply the numerators, which is 1 times 1, and we multiply the denominators, which is 8 times 9. So we end up with 1/72. Now the only thing you may have to do on some of these is simplify them after that. If they will simplify, you might be asked to simplify them. But I think most of these it will take the answer even if it is unsimplified. But if you do get one that says you're almost there or something like that, you may have to simplify it. Okay? But again, the key is we multiply the numerators and we multiply the denominators. Okay? So we just multiply straight across. That may be the thing you can remember. We just multiply straight across. So let's go try a couple of these. Okay? So right here we end up, we have 1/10 times 1/6, so we would just end up with 1 times 1 for our top and 10 times 6 for our bottom, so we would end up with 1/60. So that's our fraction we can put in there. So we would end up with 1, again, we put it in with a slash. This is the way we put fractions in IXL or con. That's the way they're going to be putting those in. Okay, submit that in there. And good, again. So we're just going to multiply those straight across. So we're going to have 1 times 1 for our numerator, which will be 1, and 4 times 6 for that, and we'll have 24 for our denominator. Okay, so again, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. Okay, so we end up with 1/24. Okay, all right, so let's jump up and try maybe a little bit harder one. This one isn't too much harder again, so we could just do the same process. So we end up with just 1 times 7 to find out our new numerator, and 3 times 10 to get our new denominator. So we just end up with 7/30. Now if you miss one of these, let's say you just make a mistake in a hurry, just put in 7. What I want you to do, if you ever miss one of these, so if I make a mistake, submit it, oh, I miss it, don't just click the I got it button. Okay, that's something you need to break the habit. Don't just click the I got it button, read down through and figure out what you did wrong. Figure out how to do it. Learn from this, guys. This is the way you can learn. By reading through the example, read the reminder they have here that you multiply numerators and you multiply the denominators. Read and look at the example and figure out how to do it right. I get students that will end up doing hundreds of problems and they just keep clicking the I got it button and they won't look down here and go through this. You're wasting your time, you're wasting my time, you're wasting the program's time. Figure out on your own, guys. The best thing you can do is learn how to learn on your own, and this program is set up for it. It's something you can use to practice. And so use it, though. If you don't know how to do it, use this, read through it. Figure out how to do it. Okay? Don't just click the I got it and move on. Make sure you know how to do it before you click the I got it button. Okay? All right, that's just one of my pet peeves is students that will just click the I got it button and won't even figure out how to do it. Okay, so again, we just multiply the numerators to get our new numerator and the denominator. So you would end up with 8/35. Okay. All right, good luck with these. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a good day. Bye.